Good evening, everyone. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, 2014. Jumping right into the charts, the spiders made new highs. 198.85 was today's print. I am still holding my monthly puts. I am down a lot more than I want to talk about, but I think if the spiders close above 198.29 again tomorrow, I may or may not step out of my position. These are monthly puts. I think I still have about 3 weeks or so before those expire. So I think I'll make my decision depending on where this closes tomorrow. Closing up 0.22%, up 44 cents on the day. Volume was at 65.6 million shares traded. Kind of a low volume day here. Volumes kind of died down, especially from this day here on July 17th. Volume was at 145.3 million shares on this day. So again, I will be watching the close on the SPY tomorrow. Moving right on to LinkedIn. LinkedIn, big move today, up 3.79%. It did break my 169.10 level that I talked about. Let's take a quick look here at the 10-minute time frame. Yeah, didn't do much here, but just kind of broke through that level. Very nice move on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has earnings on July 31st. Nice move there. Now let's see if LinkedIn could get above this little top here. Anywhere from 175.14 to 175 even number. Keep that one on watch. Next up, Facebook. Facebook making new highs. This one started taking off in the after hours. Here we go. After hours, this thing made a high of 75.45. Strong move here. Consolidated for a bit. Flagged for a bit, I guess you could say. Oops, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. So nice little flag there after making a strong move here and more upside, closing strong in the after hours. So nice move on Facebook. This is at an all-time high now, I should say. I don't have any levels for this, but expect this to pull back now. There should be a lot of profit taking on Facebook, in my opinion. Moving right on to Yelp. Yelp closed up 0.19%. Yelp is doing nothing here, but I do like the pattern. Again, my target is 61.83. Moving on to Twitter. Twitter closing up 0.27, not a lot going on there. SPLK closing up 1.15%, managing to close above my 45.95. Next up, Netflix. Netflix, nice red day again, down 0.74%, down $3.19. Right now it's finding minor support here at the 50-day moving average, this red line here. Eventually, I do think Netflix should continue lower, in my opinion. Next up, Apple. Apple making a new high of 97.88. Strong move on Apple. This has made a new high now. So we'll see what Apple decides to do in the coming days. I will be watching that one. Last one here was a chart request, symbol IYT. I do like this one for two reasons. If you look at the weekly time frame, this upper trend line that I drew here, this stock tends to pull back every time it tags that level. Pull back here, tagged it, pull back here. And if we look at the daily chart, here we are again, making a new high of 152.34. So we'll see if this decides to pull back. This lower uptrending line, you should find some minor support, but a break or a close below this lower trend line I think you should expect the IYT to move lower. All right, that's all I had for tonight. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good night.